Hey, welcome to Yellow Mountain Garden. I'm Malcolm Banks. I'm here to introduce y'all to our potato plants. And these are purple tomatoes. We're growing these in a big old, I think probably about 10 to 15 gallon pot. One of our friends up in Casters gave us these potatoes. So we basically brought them down here to the greenhouse, and then we put them all into this big old gallon pot that I got from another plant nursery. So, and I filled it up with dirt. So basically you're supposed to fill it up, put all your stuff, put the potatoes down in it, and then you take a dirt, fill it up with a layer, and then every time it grows, you just keep filling it up or keep filling it up. Or you can just do it, another way. You can just basically put the potatoes in it and you can just fill it up with dirt, and then they'll come out. That's the way I did it. So there's several ways you can do it. And I usually harvest our potatoes once these disappear. Once these start falling off, that's when I just dump the whole gallon out of the, all the potatoes out of the gallon. And then once I do that, we just take them inside of the house and then we start eating them things. So I had to give y'all a little update on potatoes, how you can grow them inside of a gallon. It's very easy. All you got to do is get you, a big old, 10 to 15 gallon, or you can get you a sack, and then you can just fill it up with some potato clips, or you can just cut the eyes off of them, and then you can replant them, and then they can grow some potatoes, and then you can be eating some potatoes, harvesting them. And I think potatoes take between 90 to 120 days up to harvest. But you can always tell that they're ready when all of these just fall off and disappear. And that's when you're ready to eat. Peace. I'm Malcolm Banks. One love.